Welcome to Northfield at 9 the Crescent in Hartford. This beautiful period detached property is one of the few remaining in this location within its own grounds of over an acre. The splendid manicured gardens have been a labour of love for the owners for nearly 40 years. Now is the time to pass them on to the next custodian of this fantastic property in the centre of Hartford Village. The property has this large reception hallway with original parquet flooring and a beautiful spindle staircase to both floors. Let's take a look around. Owners have added this large bespoke timber conservatory to the side of the property, which leads out into the rear garden. If you've got young children, they will love exploring the paths and hidden routes all around this fantastic garden. There are a series of large double bedrooms at this property and several bathrooms. The master suite sits on the rear and overlooks the amazing rear garden.